Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Anybody in Goa knows about smart meter? Answer is no. So let government put the smart meter, exercise its power as per notification of central government, let have a result on it, and then we'll talk.
So you are saying Goans are unaware about smart meter?
Of course, I've studied myself on smart meter, and then implementation has been done in Goa. Without studying, I never do anything. And that is the reason Goa is number one in India today and comparing to the world.
So, but they are saying it should come for the discussion first, then it should be.
There is no discussion on this issue. We have to implement as per the government's decision taken by central government. KERC wants that to be implementation in not in Goa, all over the country in next 1.5 years.
But government has to bear the 800 crores.
No, that is none of it. Central government is helping us in this.
So all amount will be
Most of the amount will be paid by the central government.